Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a very simple hairstyle that you can do with medium twists. You can literally do this hairstyle if you're not ready to take out your twist for a twist out, or maybe you're like me and not having to worry about wearing your hair out for the work week is a little bit stressful and you would rather have a quick, simple style that all you have to do is get up and go in the morning. As you all can see here, I am sectioning off my hair in my usual sections, my two in the front, and we're going to start working on this back section. Today I am going to be using the African Chevet collection by Design Essentials. I can definitely see a difference in moisture levels with my hair since winter is upon us, but I am going to be using these products all over my head today because they really do help with moisture and getting moisture inside of each of my hair strands. So once I smooth that product over my hair, I will go in with my detangling brush, and the detangling brush really does help me spread the product throughout my hair strands, but it also helps with the detangling process as well. After the leave-in has been applied, I will go in with this cream from the collection just to add a little bit more moisture, but also a little bit of hold as well. You can do your twist however small or big that you would like, but as you all know from the beginning of this video, this is going to be a quick and easy hairstyle. So this is giving more medium large today, okay? Especially in this back section. But just because my sections are medium large does not mean that I'm doing these twists sloppy. I am actually making sure that I twist very tightly because I need these twists to hold, being that I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of them. So you're gonna repeat this process all over your head, making sure that every single section is thoroughly moisturized and that you twist every single section tightly. And of course, we are going to make sure that we have a couple of twists going down the center of our head. This is definitely going to help with the pinup style that we'll be doing towards the end of the video. And you all can literally go ahead and see the difference between what the moisture was looking like in my hair before I put these twists in compared to after applying the product and then twisting my hair again. I absolutely love these products, probably more so for like the winter time, just because of the amount of moisture that it does give to my hair strands. And once all of your twists are in, I am going to follow up with this Nairobi foam. And this is just to kind of help with some of the curl definition at the ends of my twist, because of course I want to be able to wear a twist out once I get tired of wearing my hair in a pinup style. And this is just making sure that everything is sealed and basically set into place. So I'm just smoothing that foam over the ends of my hair, and I will put a little bit over the roots, but I am not going crazy with this product. Because I will be sitting up under my hooded dryer, I am going to add this She heat protectant to my hair just to make sure that I protect my hair from the heat. And And here we are the next day. As you all can see here, everything has dried and shrunken up, okay? Shrinkage, we love it sometimes, and sometimes we don't. It's okay. I am going to section off the front sections of my hair because I know that it won't make it to the back. And all I did was split my hair in half, and I began doing a 2-strand twist with all of the hair. And once I get to the ends, I am literally going to tuck them under, okay? Very simple. Just tuck, tuck, tuck until you get all of those curly ends under, and then you're going to secure this with a bobby pin, okay? That is how fast I secured this little low bun type situation. And once it starts feeling tight and secure, you are free to go, and you have a crisscross situation in the back. And then we are going to let those front sections loose. And because I felt like they were like just a little too shrunken, I did use my blow dryer just to stretch my roots a little bit. I didn't mess with the ends of the hair. I just stretched the roots just to get a little bit more length in the front. And for a little extra pizzazz, I am going in with some edge control. Today I did use my edge booster edge control that you all have probably seen in tons of videos by now. And I'm just giving myself just a few little swoops, but just making sure that everything looks nice and smooth and neat. And of course, a little bit more foam won't hurt anybody. This is just to get some of those flyaways down. I am going to put a scarf on top and just use my handheld dryer to make sure everything dries in place. And voila, here is style number 1 that I actually did with my medium-sized twist. I actually fell in love with this hairstyle. I didn't feel like I had much tension on any parts of my hair, not on my edges, not in the center crown area. So it was literally a protective style, I guess on half of my head because the ends were tucked away, but I absolutely loved it, and it was really a stress week for me when I wore this hairstyle. I didn't have to do anything in the mornings as I was getting ready for work. So here's hairstyle 1. I did go ahead and come up with a hairstyle 2 midweek just to see if it would come out right. And I used to wear my hair like this in college, y'all, and it's basically one continuous twist from one side of my head to the other, so I kept the bang. If you all would actually like to see me do this hairstyle, I would most definitely show you in another video, but just let me know. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.